I'm going to Santa because as Ate Pans and I almost finished our rabbit protection and I finished my rabbit protection. Ate Pans only has 2 sets now of rabbit protection.
Rabies protection. Okay, ginagawa niyan. Okay, Joben, Joben. Oh, teka lang si Joben. Joben. Ano laruin yan? Kung alam laruin yan. Patakarap siya na. Patakarap yan. Tapos yan na ba? Yung 24 points lang. Hati na lang sila kay Bangs, yung pencil, kay Baby Boy, sharpener.
Sana full pen tapos pencil.
Oo nga.
Same price naman.
Hindi. 100 lang. Hindi makikuha yung 24 points. Oh. Okay, come on na. Why?
Because I'm going to push now.
Okay.
So this is guys and this is my song. So this is the main character.
Main character ba?
And do you know why the leader?
Si?
Why the leader?
The leader, si Ryder.
Yeah.
Oh.
He is also the main character.
Mm.
That's fun for her. But it's fun, yeah. So this one medium. Oh my god. Ay, yan! Ito maganda.
Okay, anong gusto mo dyan?
It's so cute.
Oh, pinalitan mo.
Compared to this?
I think maganda na yung sa'yo eh.
Oh, no, sira.
Oh, no. I think mas maganda yung ito.
Look, if this is cute.
Cute.
Give me space.
I think mas maganda yung ano, combination ng red and blue kaysa dito sa blue lang. Oh, mas cute pa rin yan, aking bunso. Oh. Magasing laki lang sila.
Oh, which is better? Sa trade kami, hawakan ko. Hawakan ko. So, you choose.
People must be content.
Aking bunso, ito na lang oh. Mas maganda yan. Attractive yung color. Naka 3D pa kaysa dito. So boring.
It's always a
Boring color.
It's popping out.
Ayun na lang aking bunso.
Mommy.
Piliin mo siya kung ano gusto.
Mommy.
Mm.
Wait, Pop.
Ay, ito po. Oh. Look, oh. Is it the same? Look at that.
It's colorful. It's the same, you know.
Oh, it's not the same. Look, oh.
Look.
With 3 packets.
No.
With 3
We are
packets.
viewing the patrol bag. This is
It's so colorful.
Much bigger.
mas maganda.
Much
to.
bigger nga.
So, this one. And it's colorful. That's the third packet. I only want.
Oh, may 3 packet.
That's the third one.
Like it, you like it na? So, that's the last final one. Final answer?
Final na. Colorful. O sige na, tara na.
Mas maganda to.
Oo, kaya lang 3 lang yung packet.
Bubble again.
Oh, mas maganda nga siya.
Mukhang maganda pala yung pagkakagawa.
This is bubble.
Oh, then,
Guys,
and then,
my sword.
So, are you okay na?
okay ka na dyan. Sa colorful.
Do you know why I got to the bag section?
Oh.
Because it's almost my course day.
Ha?
It's almost my course day.
School day. Ano, mag-Wendy's, merong ano dyan, may french fries sa Wendy's. Aking bunso. Oo, maipit. Mainit, doon na lang tayo. Sa McDonald's.
Kami na yung ano?
Spaghetti chicken kay Mami, may favorite wings. Kay Joben. Kala ko yung spaghetti din kay Joben. French fries, favorite niya. Favorite mo french fries, di ba? Then, burger.
Kaya it's one.
Sabi ko frosty.
Halo-halo.
Ah, halo-halo.
Ito sa spaghetti mo, chicken, di ba? Ito nila kay Joko. Sa'yo, burger.
Uy! Uy! Ba't dinidilaan? Ito! Oh. Para dito yan, Joben. Sa dessert.
Try niya natin ba? Ayan.
Oh.
This is yours.
Gusto mo nito?
O, pili ka.
Ayaw.
Cheeseburger o yung ano? Ay, nalaglag. Ano nalaglag? Jobin, wait. Ito yung burger mo. Pili ka.
Kain tayo.
O, pili ka ng burger mo. Sa'yo yan? Itong burger? Itong burger?
Chicken spaghetti ka, tapos mag-burger ka pa.
Ito sa'yo, bakit? Ito yung burger mo. Ako wala.
Bakit wala ka?
Tubig lang ako.
Maghihintay ka na lang ng tira ng mga anak mo. Ito, daddy, oh.
Yung sila yung ano, may gusto yung gawin mo.
Si Potpot, pinag-take out mo?
Wala na. Ano meron lang? Anong problema ito? Kaya tawagan niyo ba sa video? Puro picture na lang, hindi mo na kumain.
Kausap mo ba si Ate Pot? O, sige, eat muna tayo. Oh, yeah, urong.
It's really hot.
It's really hot nga.
Yeah.
Eh, kasi naman napakainit dito. Ano yun?
Lagay mo na sa plastic yung burger. Ano ba, bibay mo kay Ate Pot yan?
Kahit Jeng.
Wow.
Ano? Sige. Ayaw niya pa kanina.
Oh, happy birthday, Joben.
Ayaw pa nga niya.
Ayaw niya pang...
Ayaw niya pang i-glow dahil hindi may birthday. Ano ba yan?
Sa ikaw kay Edwin, pumili ng maliit na cake na bibit-bitin namin.
Eh, wala pa kang birthday.
Ay, thank you sa cake.
Ayun yung box Ate Jeng. Lagay mo na sa rep niya.